today we're going to be opening up a package for my kitty Nala. Say hello, kitty. Look how excited she is. Peep the fit. What's your fit, Megan? T-shirt from volleyball. The baby is so excited. So I got her stuff from Shein. She's going to love it. And look how big it is. She's gonna love it. Okay. I'm just gonna pick something first. Oh, I know what this is. Okay, so we got her a little pink toy set. So we're gonna see what this has in here. Are you excited? You should eat this. Okay, there's like a little tinsel ball thingy. Woo, ball! Oh, she loves it already. And we have like a bunch of these little balls. This one has like string on it. Woo! Oh, there's a feather. It's a little mousy. Look how cute. Looky mousy. Oh my god, they have like a lot of balls. There's like little pom-pom ball. Ooh. This one's in a plastic bag. It's like those like little foam ones with a little feather on it. There's gonna be feathers all over it. Oh my god, look at this. It's a little bunny. Do you like your bunny? Looky. Anyways, little llama or alpaca, handmade. All right, do you like it? Oh my god, look at this one. What? What is this? It's just like a long, fuzzy pillow. Oh, she loves it. And I know this is gonna be your favorite. Looky, it's a little stick. Ooh, look at it. It has a bell on it too. Ooh. Look at all the toys you got. Oh my god, there's another mousy. And another little, I'm scared she's gonna eat these. It's kind of tiny. Okay, she's not interested anymore. Next thing, I'm gonna put these in the bag. There's a lot going on here. Oh, now you want them. You can keep your bunny. Okay, I'm just gonna put that aside. I don't know what that is. Okay, next thing. Oh my god, we gotta get this next. Wait, guys. This is gonna be your Betty. Okay. Oh, there's like a little pillow in there. Oh, it's actually a good size. Oh, it's so cute. I still don't know what it is. I think it's a dinosaur. But it kind of looks like a unicorn. Yeah, it's a unicorn. Okay, it's a little unicorn bed. And we got a cute little pillow. It's kind of shitty feeling. Okay. The pillow doesn't even fit in there the whole way. It's okay. There's a little Betty for you. And it has like a little ball. So if she can play with it. She's playing with the bag. She doesn't even care. Oh yeah. There she is. Move the camera. What? What is that? I don't know. What? Okay, so she just had some litter stuck to her asshole, so she's gonna sort that out. She's gonna sort that out. We're gonna move on now. All right, so I got these pet tear wipes because I have I don't know if I can clean her ears with these, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna. Yeah, it says for cats, pet wipes. I don't know if I trust these, but I have a Frenchie, and her little creases get all dirty, so we got that. Oh, sorry, wrong way. I can't even open this. I think this will be very good for French. Okay, one is not. Oh, this is from Mama. And look at this! And look at this! It's a little watering tray and food bowl. Oh, this one is back. Aw, and they come out too, so you can like clean it. And it's the perfect size for her too. It's so cute. We got a pink theme going on here. So spoiled. Okay. She's gonna love that. I don't know what she wants. Oh, she's coming back up. Do you want to see your boo-boo? Come here. Come here, baby. There's your... I think it's gonna be perfect for you. Here's your kitty. There's your bunny. Sorry. Do you like this? Okay, next. Oh. Ooh, look what we got for you. It's a little pink collar. I forgot about this one. She's gonna hate this. Maybe she won't. Okay. I think this is going to be a good size. It's going to be perfect. So it's a cute little pink bow with like a little pearl thing going on. So fancy. We're going to see if she'll actually let me put this on. Okay. Come here, baby. It might be a little big. Yes. Okay, yeah, it's a little big. Oh, no. No. Keep it on. Keep it on. Keep it on. Look at her! Oh, that's really big. It is really big. I thought it was going to be smaller. Okay, you know what? We'll grow into it, but for whenever you get bigger, get to be a big girl, you're going to have a cute little... Aww. Okay, yeah. You're too little for that, but it's okay. Is that it? I think so. Yeah. Okay. Last but not least, I had to get Mommy something. I had to get Mommy something. Okay, ready for this? Ooh, it smells like shit. Smell it. It's like vinegar. Yeah. Mix up my shit and get vinegar. What the hell? Okay, yeah. Look at this cute little top. It smells like vinegar, but it's gonna look so cute. I'm gonna try it on now. It's gonna look amazing. She's playing with a wrapper instead of her toys that I just got you. You just play with a toy. Play with your toys. Okay, we're gonna try on the top. Okay, so here's the top. I wasn't recording at first, so I had to redo it. We got a little pink theme. She's not like into this right now. Gotta get my phone now. I think she loves everything. She seems really happy about her toys. You're spoiled. Those bags and your clutch and your clutch is in the toilet for only 5 minutes. Oh my god, is that why my like legs hurt? No, I think it's just because you sit there. Contributes to hemorrhoids. Oh my god. I need to stop doing that. I'm like curious about these. hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Am I gonna look so upset? We're gonna get Pizza Hut later. Say goodbye, Nala. Okay, she said bye. Bye, guys.